Good morning, everybody. How are all you guys today? We're in the garden again, enjoying the sunshine. Lovely day out here. So are we all ready to do some toothbrushing again? Yeah? Have you got your toothbrushes at the ready? Excellent. I've got Dino's toothbrush at the ready, and I have got toothpaste at the ready. Excellent. So before we do that, we're going to sing today's song. So today's song is to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, so it's quite an easy one, it's quite a short one, okay, and it goes like this. Brush your teeth every day, this is what I always say. Eat healthy foods, not too sweet, save them for a special treat. Brush your teeth every day, this is what I have to say. Well done, what super singing. Excellent. How did you all get on with your brushing last night? Dino will do a quick inspection. Oh, yep, looking pretty good. Yeah, nice clean teeth. So just let you know, if those of you that maybe don't know, but I think most of you will, the reason why we brush our teeth and why it's so important to brush our teeth is to remove the germs from our teeth. And we can get germs on our teeth from the foods that we eat, especially sweet foods, okay? Sugary foods. And that could be from cakes and sweeties to juices, okay? So these are foods that are particularly bad for teeth. So it's really, really important that we brush our teeth every day, morning and night, but also when we're choosing to eat or drink these sweet foods, we have them at a meal time, because that does far less damage to our teeth, okay? So if we do that and try and keep our sweet things to a meal time and try and find a healthier snack to have in between our meals, such as fruit and vegetables and crackers and cheese and things like that, be much, much kinder to our teeth in the long run. Okay, and there's quite a good little song poem that helps us remember this, and it goes like this, okay? Sugar free, keep your sweets till after tea. And we're not saying you can't ever have sweet sugary things, because they're all super yummy, aren't they? And people do like to eat them, but it's all about being sensible, isn't it? And it's all about choosing the right time to have these special treats, okay? Excellent. Right, so time for brushing. So we're going to get rid of all those germs. Another word for germs that live on our teeth is plaque, okay? So I might mention the word plaque. So that's talking about the germs that live on our teeth, okay? So when we brush them, we're brushing away all the plaque, okay? So, ready? Toothbrushes at the ready. Get our toothpaste. There you go. Little pea-sized amount of toothpaste. And nice dry brush. And we can open nice and wide. Can we roar like a lion? Excellent. Oh, got an itchy nose. And then we can begin. Ready? Oh, nearly forgot. Should have reminded me. We need to set our timer, don't we? So there's our timer. We're going to turn our timer over like that. Okay, its stand has started to move, okay? And then we open nice and wide, all the way around the outside. We're brushing our teeth and our gums. Remember, our gums are just as important, because that's what holds your teeth in. Without our gums, our teeth would fall out, wouldn't they? So keep our gums healthy. So then we need to go little circles round and round the inside. So that's when we need to open really wide and have our toothbrush at an angle, okay? And then our molars, these are our teeth that we use to chew with. We're going to give those a good scrub. Sometimes in these little grooves, ow, Dino just bit me, naughty Dino. Sometimes in these little grooves, little food and especially sticky foods might get stuck in these grooves. So give those a good scrub, and then we can go round the outside at the top. Okay, well done. And then we can go round the inside at the top, nice and wide, and scrub our molars at the top. Excellent. Now we can do the side teeth. So close our mouths together, get the toothbrush in there like that, and then our tongues. Everyone stick their tongues out. Dino, stick your tongue out. And then we can give the tongue a little brush as well. Excellent. Once we've got all the bubbles left in our mouths, we need to make sure we spit the bubbles out very carefully and tidily into the sink, and then we can rinse our toothbrush as well and put it to dry. Excellent, you did super. What a fantastic job today. So we'll see you again tomorrow, and keep up the brushing. Remember, the very last thing that you do before you go to bed tonight is get those teeth brushed, all right? Excellent. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye. Wipe the tear, baby dear, from your eye. It's sad to go, I know, but we are glad that you enjoyed the show. See you tomorrow. Bye.